Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Android TV box on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. NVIDIA Shield TV Pro. The NVIDIA Shield Pro continues to dominate as the best streaming box and retro gaming machine, offering a powerful Android-powered set-top box/games console. Boasting impressive capabilities, it caters to both movie and video game enthusiasts. The device stands out with features such as high-spec PC gaming streamed to the TV and support for 4K movies in various HDR formats. While the Shield Pro doesn't introduce many new features, it remains a top choice. It is packed with the latest technology and offers a seamless experience for users. However, it may be perceived as offering less value for money compared to previous models, despite the upgraded specifications. Number 2. Amazon Fire TV Cube. The latest iteration of Amazon's Fire TV Cube, powered by Fire TV OS, stands out as a favorite streaming device. Significantly improved over the 2017 model, the new Fire TV Cube boasts a faster processor and the addition of Dolby Vision, enhancing its overall performance and feature set. Despite a few shortcomings, the device solidifies its position as one of the best streaming players released in the current year. The Fire TV Cube has consistently delivered robust performance, and the latest version introduces several enhancements, making it even more efficient and responsive for users. Number 3. Immersive Jetstream. If you're delving into the realm of Android TV boxes for the first time, the immersive Jetstream 4K Ultra HD TV box provides an excellent starting point. This compact marvel opens the door to a vast entertainment landscape, offering access to over 450,000 movies and TV shows through 4,500+ channels, including popular streaming platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and PBS Kids. The device supports 60 FPS video at 4K resolution, delivering a high-quality viewing experience. What sets it apart is the inclusion of a remote with built-in Bluetooth voice search technology, enabling users to effortlessly navigate, install, and play apps, games, movies, and shows using voice commands. All these features are packed into a surprisingly affordable package, making the immersive Jetstream a compelling choice for those looking to explore the capabilities of TV boxes. Number 4. T95 Android 10.0 TV Box. Seeking a powerful and versatile TV box to transform your home entertainment experience? Look no further than the T95 Android TV box. Boasting an impressive array of features, this compact device delivers exceptional performance and seamless connectivity, making it an ideal choice for discerning tech enthusiasts. Powered by the robust all-winner H616 quad-core processor and equipped with 4 GB of RAM, the T95 effortlessly handles even the most demanding tasks. Whether you're streaming high-definition videos, playing immersive games, or navigating multiple apps simultaneously, this TV box ensures a smooth and responsive experience. Immerse yourself in stunning visuals with the T95 support for 6K ultra-high-definition resolution. With HDR10 technology, you'll enjoy unparalleled clarity, vibrant colors, and enhanced contrast, transforming your living room into a cinematic haven. Number 5. Micool MK9 Pro. The Micool MK9 Pro, fueled by the advanced S905X2 chipset from Amlogic, is a powerhouse in the realm of Android TV boxes. This device takes your viewing experience to the next level by supporting YouTube playback in stunning 4K resolution and incorporating HDR10, HLG HDR, and H.265 HEVs video encoding for exceptional contrast, color, and clarity. What sets it apart is the voice control function, complemented by a Bluetooth voice control remote controller, enabling hands-free operation of the TV box through voice commands. Adding to its smart capabilities, the Micool MK9 Pro integrates Google Assistant, providing seamless control over your smart home devices. making it a versatile and feature-rich option in the Android TV box landscape. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.